The spirit of Hajj is guardianship, and in the era of occultation, there is a deep connection between this religious act and Imam Mahdi, peace be upon him. In this video, while examining some connections of Hajj and Wilayah and Ka'bah and Imamate, references have been made to aspects of the connection of that holy land, Mecca, with Imamate, especially Imam Al Mahdi, peace be upon him. The Ka'bah was restored and revitalized by Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, who attained the exalted position of Imamate at a later age. In this regard, Allah said to Ibrahim, "I have appointed you as an imam and a guide for the people." Indeed, the Kaaba was reconstructed by Prophet Ibrahim, the friend of the Merciful, who is an imam, and the Hajj coin was struck in his name. This ceremony was termed the Hajj of Ibrahim. Therefore, his successor, Imam Mahdi, peace be upon him, upon his reappearance, will pray next to the Kaaba to all the worlds, declaring, "If anyone wishes to discuss Ibrahim with me, they should know that I am the one closest to Ibrahim." The only person who has entered into existence in this earthly world, in the middle of the Kaaba, is the leader of the believers, Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, peace be upon him, who, with his birth, reveals the secret of the honor and sanctity of this house. This great virtue has been mentioned by many scholars, among whom are many Sunni scholars who have acknowledged this truth and considered it an unparalleled virtue. Alusi Baghdadi writes, "The birth of Ali inside the Kaaba is well known among the nations of the world, and no one has yet achieved this virtue. A pilgrim who circumambulates around this house and prays towards it must acknowledge the virtue that it represents a connection between the two." In a journey to Hajj, where the last Imam, peace be upon him, is present, the blessings and praises with his du'as there rise from this land towards the heavens. What a beautiful connection! You breathe in the same air in which Imam Mahdi, peace be upon him, breathes during the Hajj pilgrimage. Imam Ja'far al-Sadiq, peace be upon him, said, "People do not find their Imam. He is present during the Hajj season. He sees them, but they do not see him." Regarding the completion of Hajj and Umrah, which has been commanded in the noble verse, "And complete the Hajj and Umrah for Allah," beyond the jurisprudential discussions, in some narrations, the visitation and meeting of the Imam, peace be upon him, have been mentioned as completing the Hajj. Imam Muhammad Al-Baqarah, peace be upon him, has stated regarding this, "The complete Hajj is meeting the Imam. The perfection of Hajj is encountering the Imam." In conclusion, the deep connection between Hajj and Imam Mahdi, peace be upon him, reflects the spiritual essence of guardianship in the era of occultation. The history of the Kaaba and its connection to the Imams, peace be upon them, especially Imam Mahdi, peace be upon him, highlights the significance of this holy land in the context of Imamate. The presence of the last Imam during Hajj adds a profound spiritual dimension to this journey and reinforces the bond between the pilgrim and the Imam, peace be upon him.